Hello, beautiful. This is your bonus meditation. So there are lots of forms of meditation out there, and I don't know if you are a person who practices meditation normally, but this one is, I believe, an easy way to connect to meditation. A lot of people have a hard time letting their thoughts go. They get frustrated because a thought comes in. I'm going to tell you that when that happens, just notice the thought, honor the thought, and let it pass. Otherwise, it's going to keep coming to you. So just notice the thought and let it go. This meditation, though, is an easier one because it's giving you something to focus on while taking your deep breaths in and out, which will connect your body, mind, and soul. So you get that deep connection within, you get that grounding to the earth, and you will feel more centered. So this is a short, just 5-minute meditation. You can sit however you would like. If you like cross-legged, if you like to sit in a chair, if you like to sit straight up and have your feet on the ground. One thing is maybe don't do it laying down unless you want to fall asleep. But this is one where you're going to breathe in something positive, exhale something negative. So what I'm going to say the word, and while you're breathing in, I want you to think that word. So our first one's going to be love. So while you're breathing in, think love. So you're like, exhale hate. And this is one for people that when they look in the mirror and they hate what they see. So we're going to breathe in that love to give us the love that we deserve and exhale the hate that we feel. So I'm going to do this as a 5-minute meditation. We're going to change the words throughout it. And while I say the word, I want you to repeat the word in your head and exhale and repeat the word out. And when you get to the top of your inhale, hold it for just a second and then we'll exhale it out. So it's at almost the 1 minute and 45-second mark if you want to begin the meditation. Set my timer and we will begin. So take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Breathe in love. Exhale hate. 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 Breathe in joy. Exhale stress. Breathe in joy. Exhale overwhelm. 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 Breathe in relax. Exhale stress. Breathe in relaxation. 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 Exhale stress. Breathe in happy. Exhale fear. 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 Now we're just going to breathe in love. 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 Alright guys, I want you to blink your eyes. How do you feel? I hope you feel nice and relaxed. I hope you feel centered and at peace and full of love and joy. This is a meditation that you can do whenever you feel you need to feel more connected to yourself. You can also do this on your own, set a timer. You can choose your own words that you want to say. You can choose if you want your focus really to be on joy. Breathe in joy, exhale, whatever you want to release. So those are the feelings, the negative feelings that we're feeling towards ourselves, we want to release. So we want to fill them with positive vibes and exhale the negative. So you can do this at any point. You can do this multiple times a day. You can do this every day. Make sure you check back in with me and let me know how it's going for you. I hope you have a beautiful day. Let your light shine. You are beautiful, you are loved, and you should feel joy. Have a great day.